I used to think growth comes from doing more. More work, more effort, more discipline, more habits, and more routines. But honestly, when I changed certain things in my life, then growth happened. Hello everyone, my name is Mannat Nahmi, and here are some certain things which I stopped doing to boost my productivity. The first thing I had to stop was perfectionism. I used to feel like when I make a video, it should be perfect, or when I do something, it should look perfect. And in this loop of perfectionism, my work is delaying too much. So I understood that perfectionism not always come from high standards. It sometimes come from fear. Fear of judgment, fear of mistakes, and fear of not looking good enough. And slowly I understood with consistent efforts, perfectionism comes with time. Another thing I started controlling was giving too much space to distractions, especially emotional distractions. Because when your focus keep on changing or keep on focusing everywhere, your energy also get diverted. And I realized if I want to build something meaningful in my life, my focus should be concentrated on one thing rather than moving in all directions. Also, I stopped spending too much time about conversations that go nowhere. The same negativity, the same topic, the same gossip, and the same mindset. And this environment is quietly affecting you, even if you don't notice it immediately. I do believe many things in the life are written, but I also believe we should put our own efforts into it. Some people keep waiting for the life to turn magically of its own without changing themselves. And maybe the biggest thing I stopped doing was fulfilling everyone's expectations 100% because it never ends. No matter how much we can do, someone will still expect something from us. So I realized if I keep on trying to fulfill everyone's expectation, I will lose myself in the process. For me, real growth is very simple. Understanding yourself, improving yourself with time, becoming a better human, becoming a human with high moral values and high character. I think growth becomes faster when you stop trying to push yourself or exhaust yourself mentally and be real to the world. You might have seen me distracting in the video. That was a illustration of imperfection in the video because I have talked about perfection. So these are the certain things which I stopped doing in my life that are boosting my productivity. So this is Mannat Nahmi, and with me you can improve yourself with time. Thank you very much for watching the video. For the next videos, keep tuned and keep growing.